Valentine's Day is coming up.
Did you know that?
Yes. Jen is single. Not dating anyone.
No.
Now, that does not mean...
Yeah, we don't say that as an insult. It's just we're stating facts.
In fact, we need to help Jen out.
That is not an insult.
No, it's not. I'm not saying it's not an insult. I need to clear some things up to our listeners because we had some incidents at the Sumo Bowl, and they're way off.
Maybe not single much longer.
Oh, no.
Not after the Super Bowl.
Not after the Super I mean, all those options were just so awesome that how can I help myself?
So for those of us that weren't there, Jen was the hot item, and I'm going to help out some of the guys here in Lynchburg. Nate's going to help out some of the guys.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna weed through so people don't waste their time or Jen's time any longer. So we're gonna weed out some people because Nate is an expert at Valentine's Day gifts.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You will know what.
You are Cupid.
At least what not to buy after I'm done here.
So Nate has been. I mean, really, whenever I needed to know a Valentine's Day gift, I used to call Nate because he's done some great ones in the past. Like right? Am I right, Nate?
What?
Some your past Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah. Would you like to hear about those?
Oh yeah.
From Little Old Me.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, some that have been huge success are pillows, especially made with my face on it.
Yes.
Like a head-shaped pillow.
Yes.
Anytime gift.
So it's like you're never gone.
Yeah. Whether it's for your couch or for your bed. Whatever it is,
a good place to drool.
A Justin, yeah, thank you. Justin Bieber phone case.
Hell yeah!
Big
For the
hit.
believers.
She's into it.
I might rock that.
He's cute.
Women love when you buy them gym memberships.
Gym memberships.
That would be a negative.
No, they don't.
No.
They don't like that.
I like that.
Jen's like, sure.
Valentine's Day?
Guys are hitting on you.
And then a couple of things edible would be like the edible arrangements or
the pineapple.
or candy bra.
A what?
Either way.
A candy bra.
Fun for the whole family.
Yes, it's like a candy necklace, only better.
Depending on the family. Rachel's looking with you with disgust.
You don't include family in that. Yeah.
The candy bra?
No.
Yeah, what? Did you
Candy
say for family? Did I miss?
What kind of candy is it?
What?
What kind of candy are we talking about? Like Skittles?
Like this,
Or
like the kind from the candy necklaces.
Oh, like just, okay.
Skittles.
Dumb.
I don't
What
know.
is
Like
your
a
brain
Skittle
doing?
bra?
What are you worried about her brain? That's fun for
Taste
the
the
whole
rainbow?
family. What are you talking?
That's a good one. If it was a Skittle bra,
Don't
taste the
worry.
rainbow.
Mike's getting a delay button for this, just for this show. It's really just for me.
I'm gonna call it the dumb leg.
I've never had a Valentine.
Yeah, let's talk about it. So is
Yeah.
romance taken out of Valentine's because of social media? And as we were kids, we just had the phone and like nervous men. You had to like build up the courage. So what do you think, Shay?
I think romance is taken out of dating, period, now.
You think so?
Yeah, texting has taken in passive aggressiveness, whole nother level.
Yeah.
Guys tend to be passive aggressive in relationships anyway. You give them the ability to get behind a text, and then, it's to a whole nother level.
I mean, the way I see Valentine's Day, it's like the people who are like, oh, I'm so lonely and like, I wish I had a Valentine. Well, if you think that no one loves you today on the day of Valentine's Day, then no one loves you any day. Like, goodness, it's not that big of a
Why is it
holiday.
just this day that you remember?
Yeah. Why is just that day that you're complaining about being loved?
Exactly.
There's
Right?
364 other days where people don't love you.
So walking Target a couple nights ago, the sweethearts, like be mine, kiss me.
Yeah.
There's now one that is text me.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm gonna.
Sex to me. It should be
I'm gonna
sex
come
to
up
me.
with one that says
I'm gonna-
"shoot me now," then, because that's awful.
So what do you think now? Shay, you had some things, right? Well, tell us more about the texting.
So as far as it's global now, that the Islamic law, you can divorce somebody just by saying, I divorce you, I divorce you, I divorce you. So now people are trying to do that over text. So right now, Egypt is ruling on a guy who decided he would text his girlfriend, I divorce you, I divorce you, I divorce you, over text. And now they have to decide whether that's a valid way to divorce somebody.
What about those sweethearts? Like if you gave 3 sweethearts that said "I divorce,"
I divorce you.
It's sort of like a post-it.
There's no
That's so
smartphones
sick.
in Egypt. That can't be true.
that's an oxymoron. That's
There's no smartphones in Egypt.
that is crazy. They're like, why would? I don't know. If you're gonna say that you can just say it and it be true, why make it 3 times even? If it's gonna be that ridiculous, where it's something you can say, why? Like, all right, if you say it 53 times,
Yeah.
and you mean it, as long as you really mean it, then you'll be divorced. I don't even understand how they.
Islamic law, dude. They're doing different stuff over there.
I'm with the Prime Minister. He
different breed.
said that you should be able to instead look a beautiful woman in the eye and tell her to her face. She may cry a little bit, and then you might change your mind.
The Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister of Malaysia. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's all over the place now. People are trying to divorce people, break up with people over text. even get engaged over text.
Why does this bother you?
Ooh, actually, a football player. I can't remember who it was on the news. I don't know. I can't remember. But he actually texted his girlfriend and asked her if she would marry him, and she said yes. And he's a quarterback,
lazy.
and I can't remember what his name is right now. But
It's so lazy, Dom.
What? I'm into it. I'm serious. So, Sarah, what do you say?
I bet
think
you
it's
are.
Great. Listen, there's a lot of stuff to do in a day. Okay, you can't you got to do your work. Like you got to keep up on your social media. You got video games. And then you got a relationship. Right? This is all that's all there is to life. So, I mean, if you're thinking about your significant other, then you shoot him a text. Hey, thinking about you. That counts.
Yeah, I disagree. I think you're outnumbered.
No, and maybe if you're married, but not when you're dating. It has no place in dating.
So you don't take text.
Texting is an awesome part of a relationship.
Jen's texting right now.
Yeah, she's texting one of her boyfriends.
no,
right
I'm
now,
looking
but-
up who the guy was, and it's Jay Cutler.
Are you serious?
Jay Cutler
That seems like
proposed to
something Jay
Kristen
Cutler would do.
Cavallari through text and sent her a ring.
Sent her the ring in the mail.
Yes.
All right, well, that's lame. Yeah, but I'm
Yeah.
saying
I don't like Jay Cutler anyways.
but Shay's saying that you don't text at all in dating relationships.
No, you can text.
Yeah, you can text. You just don't text pertinent information. Like you don't text true.
Yeah, at this point, I think it just allows guys to not have to pick up the phone at all. So if you're texting more than 3 or 4 texts, that's a conversation. You should pick up the phone and talk.
Jen, you're with me, right? You're into the texting, right?
I'm all about the texting. I don't really have too much time for the phone. I don't really have much time to date.
Well, tell that to your suitors at suitors at Wasabi.
Oh,
I'll tell you what, she had some gems. I was sitting with her at the bar, and guys were coming up. I mean,
I was drinking water.
She wasn't
Living it up.
even. She wasn't even tipsy. I mean, she would have to been really drunk for this pickup line to work. But yeah, left and right, guys are coming up with the creepiest stuff and then walking away. I can tell you, guys. Just for future reference, the girls that are with the Dominate Radio Show, come correct.
Yeah.
all right? Think about a good line if you're going to come with a line, not creepy stuff.
They're all over the internet.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a top 5 best
Pickup
or
lines?
worst pickup lines.
Yeah,
Yes.
Top 5 pickup lines used on Jen.
Oh gosh.
All we need is
Too
one
many.
more day to. We'll probably have those after tomorrow night's live broadcast.
Shay, are you done with your texting rant, or is there more?
Yeah, I'm over it. If y'all are good with the texting, so.
No. Nate,
just instant.
Nate agrees.
Yeah,
Nate said-
I'm
Nate
with you,
thinks It's cowardly for men to do this.
Yeah, it's
What
an,
about
it's an easy
Snapchat?
out. It's an easy out.
Snapchat. Yeah.
That's really
Me with my shirt off. You only got 5 seconds to look at it.
Can we reduce that to a nanosecond?
You guys.
There are
love
certain
it.
things that should only be available for so long.
Yeah, I agree.
For the sake of everyone's vision.
Wow. It's time to talk about American Idol. Did you guys watch it?
Yeah, I watched it.
Good.
Who didn't?
Hello. Ladies.
I love Nicki Minaj in certain songs, but I do not like her as a judge. I think that her comments and her feedback is just kind of vague. It doesn't really give them, much direction. And on top of that, she just kind of is, I don't know, she's just blah to me. She doesn't bring much to the table as any of the other,
She's just so arrogant.
Yeah.
You're sitting there with Mariah Carey. She's sold more Christmas albums than you've sold albums in total. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
there's some songs I like. I mean, Starship, I like Run to That. I like that.
Did you guys watch
She's good for
Beyonce?
music. Yeah.
Did you guys watch the Super Bowl? Because I'm a huge Beyonce fan.
Oh my gosh,
Dom is-
Beyonce.
Dom is about all that is Beyonce.
That's
Oh my
my
gosh.
girl.
Yes.
That's my girl.
Did you like the
holding it
halftime
down.
performance?
I think it's the best. Okay, well, the last time that the Super Bowl was hosted in New Orleans was in 2001, and U2 performed, and they had a pretty good performance. I rewatched it from that year, but Beyonce killed it. She killed it. I mean, bringing out Destiny's Child. The only thing that could have been better is if Jay-Z came out with and joined her.
I know.
Oh my goodness, I would have died.
totally hoping for that on Crazy in
Yeah,
Love.
Dom and I watched it live, and
Oh, yeah?
we just admired all of the.
Should we tell the truth?
Yeah,
Is it-
we watched it live about 30 minutes
The
ago.
truth being, I forced them to watch it.
Shay forced us.
The last
yeah.
people on Earth to see it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're really
What did
up to the minute.
What did you think?
It was all right.
What do you mean it was all right?
It was cool. I mean, there was
I don't
a,
understand what the big thing is.
Oh my gosh.
Beyonce's getting old in the face. I'm going to say it on air. I understand.
rebuke that.
I know she just had kids. Everyone keeps saying that. I'm not
Kid.
talking
that has nothing to do with the
about
face.
stress levels.
That has nothing to do with the face.
I was like, did you see the cover of GQ this month? Be for real.
Have you heard of
Have you seen
ever
her
heard of
legs?
airbrush?
I want her leg workout.
What about airbrush though?
Yeah,
Well,
I'm talking live.
airbrush helps, but even in person, she looks amazing. She had a baby. Like,
No, yeah, we're not talking about. Don was just referring to the
I
face.
don't know
which,
what you're talking about the face.
which,
mean,
to be
she
honest with you, I don't either. I think
Gosh,
it's
are you
funny that
yelling
he. I think it's funny that he said. I haven't seen the picture, or I haven't seen in the video. I didn't see the old face, but it's funny that he would say that because that's just a funny thing.
Can you explain what you're talking about there?
Yeah, like you know how people look old in the body sometimes, like where they're just out of shape and they got they're like maybe 30, but they got the body of a 50-year-old. She's looking good in the body, but her face is getting wrinkly and it's casting shadows, and it's just not
casting shadow?
casting shadows. I know what I'm talking about.
I just don't think that took away from her epic performance at the Superdome.
Absolutely.
Oh my god!
I mean, she's singing live and dancing her behind off while she's doing it.
Yeah, and have you seen the Twitter how it blew up? Everyone just completely blown away, and bringing back Destiny's Child, 90s, like everyone who didn't love Destiny's Child, even the guys were rooting that on. So
okay.
Absolutely.
Shay is showing me a picture of Beyonce's face.
Which has not a wrinkle on it, by the
I'm
way.
not talking about in that
But
picture. I'm talking about
But
live
I'm with
on
Jen.
stage.
Like, I mean, it doesn't matter if she's wrinkles all over. She was amazing.
I did read that Madonna's performance still had a lot more views
Really?
than Beyonce.
Yeah.
And I think that Beyonce's performance was better.
Have you ever seen her live?
Madonna or
No,
Beyonce?
Beyonce.
Neither. No. But I've seen documentaries about how amazing she is.
Oh my god, this was a terrible idea.
Two girls.
This was a terrible idea to have girls. Okay, it is our Valentine.
Oh yeah.
I'm just joking. It is our Valentine's Day special. We've got girls too many in the studio. Jen from the Lingerie Football League. Formerly
Formerly the
Don't think we're
Lingerie
not gonna
Football
talk
League,
about
now
this
the
every
Legends
week.
Football League.
Legends Football League.
Soon to be Latoya Football League.
Latoya.
Yeah.
Luscious.
If it starts with an L, it's going to be the next name.
Rumor has it that you're going to be suiting up next year.
I want to. Yeah, I'm training right
serious?
now. Yeah, I just dropped 25 pounds since November.
It's awesome.
And now I'm doing this cleanse through one of the coaches with the LFL, and I'm supposed to lose some weight on there too. And I would love to play. It's fun.
What do you think, Shay? Would you play in the Legends Football?
I was looking up to see if Charlotte has a team, and we do.
Yes.
You have a
What-
Lingerie Football League?
What,
Yeah, man.
what team would you try out for, Jen?
Honestly, Baltimore Charm. They're right at home. I could be close to family. I can have my friends come watch. I love. Actually, Angela Rippon who is the quarterback. Her dad was Redskins quarterback.
Mark Rippon.
Yeah, Mark Rippon.
Shut your face, really?
Yeah, so Mark Rippon. Yeah, all right, okay,
Wow.
you guys know.
Don knows
she-
this football.
So she is the quarterback for the Baltimore Charm, and
That's actually really cool.
and she actually often practices with her dad. I've been there, and they're great. And I would love to be able
Does
to.
he wear lingerie?
No,
That's
he always. I asked him. I was like, "How do you
Yeah.
feel about that? Your daughter following your footsteps?" He's like, "I mean, it's awesome. I like that the women have these opportunities, but I really wish that they would just suit him up in full gear."
If I'm at Nate's house, I'm just sitting there like teaming up with his wife, like, let's watch reality TV. He's like, no, we must watch every last football game.
Yes, this is man season.
Yes, even
In
though I
this
don't-
voice, you have to
Well,
say
now
it.
it's kind of no football for a little bit.
When-
Super Bowl just happened. I don't know. I think it's like 76 days until the draft or something like
yeah,
that.
Gosh.
yeah. It's there. There is.
Man, why is it your job
How
to
did
make
you
me not
get
a
so
man?
interested?
Oh,
No, it's her job to point it out. It's your job to not be a
Oh
man.
my gosh, she knows every day till the draft. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
The draft is huge if you're a football fan.
yeah, it's huge.